Welcome to the DL4JRA installation tutorial video. Before we start the tutorial, a quick introduction about the DL4JRA. The purpose of developing the DL4JRA is to allow everyone, especially those who have no programming skills, to have a chance to try on deep learning using Deep Learning for Java library. The DL4JRA is developed by the contributors in Malaysian Smart Factory 4.0 at Selangor Human Resource Development Center, SHRDC. It was first made on October 2021 and this video is made in May 2022. You can visit the DL4JRA GitHub link below to refer to the installation process and their GitHub wiki to check their tutorial and manual. I've made another installation video before this, but there's a new update and the installation process is now simpler than before. But the previous installation video can still be used, but it's the process to install if you want to contribute to the app. Malaysian Smart Factory 4.0 at SHRDC is open to work with the community of developers, universities and industries to contribute to the project. I'll put the email address below for you to reach out to in order if you want to contribute to the project. Okay, let's proceed with the tutorial video. First step, download Git. Click the link here in the GitHub page and you'll be redirected to the Git page. Go to download. Choose the default options. Once you are done with the installation, open up Git by typing in the search here, git bash, and choose this one. And in the command prompt, type in git clone and paste the Git repository URL, or just copy paste from here. After that is done, we'll move on to install Java Se8. Just click the link in the GitHub page readme here and ensure that what you're seeing is Java Se8 archive downloads. Pick the option according to your operating system. Mine is Windows, so I'll pick Windows. You will need to agree with the terms and conditions and also need to sign up or log in order to download the SDK file. When it's done downloading, click it to install. Pick the defaults of everything. Now that we have installed that, we will need to set up our environment variables. Go to the search tab again and type in environment and you'll find this advanced system setting. Click on environment setting and add a new system variable. Click new here and put the variable name as java_home. Variable value here should be where the Java folder location is. Here it is, and choose the JDK file like shown in the picture here. Then we'll need to update the path, copy paste the address and paste it under variable value. And then we'll need to update path. Scroll down here until you see path. Click new and type %java_home%/bin. Click OK. Close all the windows. Then let's try out if it works by using command prompt. Type in all these commands, and if the kind of response comes up similar like this, then we have properly installed Java on the computer. Next is to download Node.js. Just click the link in the GitHub. Download the LTS version, which is recommended. Just set it as the default setting. When it's done, we can proceed to the next one, which is Apache Maven. Click on the GitHub link here. It shows you the process of how to install Apache Maven properly. Go to download. Pick the binary zip archive. When it is finished downloading, extract the zip file to any directory you wish to put it. When that is done, we'll have to set up the environment variable setting again. So this is where I extracted my Apache Maven. Go to advanced setting and set this environment variable. Add a new system variable. We name this one as m2_home, and the variable value is the folder location. Same like setting up Java, we need to update the path as well. Click New. This is another way on updating path, which is to paste the folder location address and then add /bin. And click OK. Let's test it. If it installed properly, go to the command prompt again, type in these commands, and if this response came up, means we have installed it properly. We are nearing the end. Go to the DL4JRA folder where we compiled using git clone earlier. Right click in the folder and pick git bash. Type cd client, which cd means change directory. We will change directory into the client folder of DL4JRA. Type in here npm install and wait until it have finished installing. When it finished, now go back to the folder again, right click and open up another git bash. In this one, type in cd server, type in mvn spring-boot::run, and let it be in the background. Go back to the client bash and type in npm start. If this comes up, congratulations! The installation is completed. You can check all the functions here, generate dataset, neural network, and so on. And I also have prepared tutorial videos to see how to arrange the flow and such, and watch the demonstration of how some of the function works. And that is all for the installation tutorial video. Thank you for watching.